Namaskar. Welcome to the second lecture of trigonometric ratios and standard angle. This is our second lecture. Now, before I start, I will again first revise the trigonometric ratios for some standard angle. So, the standard angles which we are going to discuss is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now I will discuss their ratios like sine. So sine of 0 degree is 0, sine of 30 degree is 1 upon 2, sine of 45 degree is 1 upon root 2, sine of 60 degree is root 3 upon 2 and sine of 90 degree is 1. The second ratio which we will discuss is cos. Cos of 0 degree is 1, cos 30 degree is root 3 upon 2, cos 45 degree is 1 upon root 2, cos 60 degree is 1 upon 2 and cos 90 degree is 0. And the third ratio which we will discuss is tan. Tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. So, tan 0 degree is 0 upon 1 which is 0. Tan 30 degree is 1 upon 2 divided by root 3 upon 2, that will give 1 upon root 3. Tan 45 is 1, tan 60 is root 3 and tan 90 is 1 upon 0 which is not defined. Sometime you can use this symbol also which stands for infinity. Now cot is reciprocal of tan. So reciprocal of 0 is not defined. Reciprocal of 1 upon root 3 is root 3. For 1 it is 1 and for root 3 it is 1 upon root 3 and for not defined reciprocal is 0. Cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta, or you can say that it is cos theta upon sin theta. Similarly, sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta and cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta. Now once you know this table, once you know this table or the values, okay, like I know, okay, then you can solve problems in this particular chapter. Okay, so initially you will find it difficult to learn them, but slowly as you solve problems, okay, don't try to look the values, try to memorize the values. You will, by the end of chapter, you will learn all the values thoroughly. Okay, now there are some tricks also to draw this table. Like if you see this sine values, okay, this sine values, they are nothing but they are square root of 0 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4 and 4 upon 4. So if you take the square root of these numbers, you will get sine of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So it is very simple to draw the chart. Okay, initially I recommend that you first draw the chart, okay, and then start solving the problem. Okay, now let us begin with the problem. Okay, now here what again I recommend that you solve problems first. Okay, pause the video, solve the problem first by yourself and then look the solution. Okay, if you are confident enough, then there is no need to look at the solution also. Okay, you can proceed to the next problem. So this is our first problem. Now all the problems which I am discussing I have taken from M.L. Agrawal book. Okay, this is a very good book, okay, for ICSE students. Now first problem, if x is 30 degree, verify that tan 2x is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. So x is given 30 degree. So in our solution we will write left hand side. So our left hand side is tan 2x. Tan 2x means tan 60 degree. 2 into 30 gives me 60 degree and tan 60 degree is root 3. Okay, I know the values very well. Okay, now right hand side is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. So this is equals to 2 into tan 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. 2 into tan 30 degree is 1 upon root 3 whole divided by 1 minus tan square 30 degree, that is 1 upon 3. Now we will simplify this. So this is 2 divided by root 3 whole divided by 1 minus 1 upon 3 will be 3 minus 1, which is 2 upon 3. So this is equal to 2 upon root 3 multiplied by 3 upon 2. This 2 and 2 will cancel. Now 3 upon root 3. What we will do? We will rationalize this denominator and we will get root 3. Okay, or let me show you complete step. 3 divided by root 3 is there. You multiply and divide by root 3. So your numerator will become 3 root 3 and your denominator will become 3. This 3 and this 3 will cancel and finally you will get root 3. So here tan 60 degree, which is left hand side, you are having value as root 3, and right hand side this also you got root 3. So I will say that from 1 and 2, I will say from 1 and 2, left hand side is equals to right hand side. Okay, that is tan 2x equal to, that is tan 2x is equals to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Okay. Now if possible you learn this expression. Okay, this is an identity in trigonometry. Okay, you can say formula, you can say identity, right? Tan 2x is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. This will benefit you in your higher classes. Okay, there definitely you have to learn all these values. So as we are proceeding, if possible learn them, right? First you have to learn the values for different standard angles, then whatever we are proving, they are nothing but their identities, you can learn them. So tan 2x is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. This is true for each and every angle. Now let us move to the next question. If x is 15 degree, we have to verify 2 sin 2x cos 4x sin 6x is equal to 1. So let us start. Our left hand side is 4 sin 2x into cos 4x into sin 6x. This is equals to 4 into sin 2x. Sin 2x means what we do? Just a minute. So 4 into sin 2x, in place of 2x we will write 2 into 15, that is 30 degree, into cos 4x, this will become 60 degree, and sin 6x, 15 6 are 90, so sin 90 degree. Now put the values. 4 into sin 30 degree is 1 upon 2, cos 60 degree is 1 upon 2, and sin 90 degree is 1. Now this 2, 4, denominator we have 4 and numerator we have 4, they will cancel, and finally we have answer 1, which is right hand side. So 4 times sin 2x cos 4x sin 6x is equals to 1. Now let us move to the next question. We have to find the value. Again simple question. Okay, why I am saying simple? Because you have to only put their values and solve. So 1 minus cos square 30 degree divided by 1 minus sin square 30 degree. So let us put their values. This is equals to root of 1 minus cos 30 degree is root 3 divided by 2. So root 3 divided by 2 the whole square, whole divided by 1 minus sin 30 is 1 upon 2. So this is 1 upon 2 the whole square. So our left hand side will become square root of 1 minus 3 upon 4 whole divided by 1 minus 1 upon 4. This is equals to square root of 4 minus 3 whole divided by 4 divided by 4 minus 1 whole divided by 4. So this is square root of, now 4 minus 3 is 1. So this is 1 upon 4 divided by 3 upon 4. So 1 upon 4 we can cancel. This is square root of 1 in numerator and 3 in denominator, that is 1 upon root 3. So find the value of 1 minus 2 cos square 30 degree upon 1 minus cos square 30 degree upon 1 minus sin square 30 degree is 1 upon root 3. Next problem again. Okay, all the problems you have to solve first by yourself, okay, and then see the solution. We have sin 45 degree into cos 45 degree into cos 60 degree whole divided by, we have sin 60 degree into cos 30 degree into tan 45 degree. Now this is equals to, we will put the values. What is the value of sin 45? Value of sin 45 is 1 upon root 2. So this is 1 upon root 2 multiplied by cos 45, again it is 1 upon root 2 multiplied by cos 60, the value of cos 60 is 1 upon 2 whole divided by sin 60 is root 3 upon 2 into cos 30 is root 3 upon 2 into tan 45 is 1. Now our numerator will become 1 upon root 2 into 1 upon root 2, this is 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 whole divided by root 3 into root 3 is 3 divided by 2 into 2 is 4. So this is 1 divided by 4 whole divided by 3 divided by 4. So ultimately I will get 1 upon 3 as the answer. Yes, I hope you are solving problems yourself, okay, and getting correct answer. Now here I have to verify that sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. Again this is an identity, you can learn this formula. Now we have to verify this for 30 degree. So our solution, I will say that for theta equal to 30 degree, left hand side is sin 2 theta is equals to sin 2 into 30, that is 60 degree, that is equals to root 3 divided by 2. This is our left hand side. Now let us see what is the right hand side. So our right hand side is 2 sin theta into cos theta. This is 2 into sin theta. What is theta? It is 30 degree, okay, sin 30 degree into cos 30 degree. This is 2 into sin 30 is 1 upon 2 into cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. So this 2 and 2 will cancel, and finally I have root 3 divided by 2. So this you can say 1, this you can say 2. Now from 1 and 2, LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore, you can say sin 2 theta equal to 2 times sin theta into cos theta. Now let us move to next problem. If theta is 30 degree, we have to verify again. This is an identity, cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. So again in solution, for theta equal to 30 degree, Okay, pause the video, try yourself and then see the solution. Our left hand side LHS is equals to cos of 2 theta, which is cos of 2 into 30 degree, which is cos of 60 degree. Now the value of cos 60 degree is cos 60. Okay, it is 1 upon 2. This is LHS. Now let us see RHS. RHS is 2 cos square theta minus 1. So this is 2 into, now it is cos square theta. So first I will write cos 30 degree. Fine. So this is cos square theta is 30 degree minus 1. This is equals to 2 into cos 30 degree is root 3 divided by 2. So this is whole square minus 1. This will give you answer as 2 into 3 upon 4 minus 1. This is 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4. So 3 upon 2 minus 1. It is equals to 1 upon 2. Okay. So this is first and this is second. So from 1 and 2 again, from 1 and 2 I will say LHS is equals to RHS. Left hand side is equals to right hand side. 7.3. If theta is 30 degree, verify that sin 3 theta is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So in solution, I have LHS is equals to sin of 3 theta. Okay, obviously theta is 30 degree given. Okay, so this LHS will become sin 3 into 30 degree. This is equals to sin 90 degree and the value of sin 90 is 1. LHS. Now let us see RHS. Right hand side is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. RHS is equals to 3 into sin 30 degree minus 4 into sin cube 30 degree. So this gives me 3 into 1 upon 2 minus 4 into 1 upon 2 the whole cube. So this becomes 3 upon 2 minus 4 upon 8. Now 4 upon 8 is what? It is 1 upon 2. So 3 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 is 2 upon 2, which is 1. So this is first equation, this is second equation. Again from 1 and 2 I will say that from 1 and 2 LHS is equals to RHS, that is sin 3 theta is equals to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Right? Simple? Okay. Now let us see one more question. If theta is 30 degree, verify that sin 3 theta is equals to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So as we done for what previous problem we have seen, the same problem we have repeated. Okay. So just ignore this. Basically it should be for cos 3 theta. Yes, right. Okay. So our left hand side, the problem is if theta is 30 degree, verify that cos 3 theta is equals to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So here in solution, first I will write the value of theta, which is given 30 degree. Then I will start with left hand side, which is cos 3 theta. Now the cos 3 theta is cos 3 into 30, that is 90 degree, and cos 90 degree is 0. So LHS is simple. Now let us see what is RHS. So right hand side is 4 times cos cube theta minus 3 times cos theta. this is equal to 4 times cos cube 30 degree minus 3 times cos of 30 degree. This is equals to 4 into cos cube 30 degree. So cos 30, it is root 3 divided by 2. So root 3 divided by 2 the whole cube minus 3 into cos 30, that is root 3 divided by 2. So here we will get 4 into root 3 cube is 3 times root 3. Okay, root 3 cube means root 3 square into root 3. Root 3 square is 3. So 3 root 3 divided by cube of 2 is 8 minus 3 root 3 divided by 2. Now here 4 1 the 4, 4 2 the 8. So what we get? We get 3 root 3 divided by 2 minus 3 root 3 divided by 2, which will give me answer as 0. So left hand side and right hand side, they have same values. So I will say that from 1 and 2, LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore, we will say that cos 3 theta is equals to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Simple? Yes? Okay. Now, if theta is 30 degree, we have to find the ratio of 2 sin theta divided by sin 2 theta. Okay. Better I will stop my lecture here. The next problem we will discuss in our next class. Right. So, if you have solved yourself, fantastic. If you find it difficult, okay, then try once more. Again, try to solve all the problems yourself without looking the solution, and then cross verify. Thank you for watching my video.